Okay, welcome to Kurtz Ersa here at the IPC Apex Expo. I'm delighted to be joined by Ernie Grice, who's the Vice President of Sales here in the Americas.
Good to see you again.
Yeah, good to see you, Ernie. So I believe congratulations are in order because it's your 25th anniversary.
Yeah, 25th anniversary of rework systems.
Right.
So BJ rework systems, SMT rework systems, 25 years, full range from very small tabletop stuff to fully automated big board rework systems with scavenging and such.
Yeah,
yeah,
it's a long time, 25 years, and of course, is that 25 years since because the rework side really came from the Ersa side of the business. So
that's right.
Is that 25 years from the beginning of Ersa, or is that just 25 years from the acquisition?
No, it's 25 years since we started to actually produce product to do rework for circuit boards.
Okay,
yeah.
okay, that's fine. And I'm sure that's continued to evolve. And what sort of things are coming into the rework systems? Are you trying to automate some of it?
Yeah, it's much more automated. Again, it can start from a tabletop system that's $4,000 to a big fully automated system
Right.
that can do fully automated processing from removing components, scavenging the pads and cleaning everything, doing pad prep, putting the components down, resoldering them.
So I guess one of the biggest sellers you've got here, though, is on your selective soldering systems.
Yeah, of course.
Can you talk to us what's been happening? You're debuting the, is it the Select One?
VersaFlow One.
The VersaFlow One, that's it.
So selective soldering is, of course, our claim to fame. We're the leader in the industry for selective soldering. The VersaFlow One is our, what we call the VersaFlow One for everyone, right? So it is it's a little bit above an entry-level type system. It's not a tabletop little batch system. It is a true inline system. But from the price to performance ratio, it definitely puts us much more attractive for customers.
Right. But it has many of the features of the larger systems.
Yeah,
like
that's
dual
correct.
pots and that sort of thing.
That's correct. Well, it has electromagnetic pumping systems. It has very precise gantry systems.
Right.
So very repeatable. The process is essentially the same on our biggest highest end selective solder system of the VersaFlow 4. It's still the VersaFlow 1 is still capable of the same process.
Right. That's great. And so another area that you've grown in recently is right behind us here, this 3D metal printing system.
Yeah, that's right.
So it's quite an exciting product, but I mean, where does it fit into the electronics community? Who buys this?
Yeah, so this is actually a Kurtz product. So there's Kurtz Ersa, and Ersa is the electronics, and Kurtz does plastics and metals industry. So this is a Kurtz product. We do some cross-selling with it because there are companies, a lot of large contract manufacturers that you can name them out there, all the big ones. They are doing metal printing. They're doing 3D metal printing. They're doing 3D plastic, molding printing and such. So this is just something else that we can add into that market. Right. Now, what we find is that with this system, the Alpha 140, for prototyping and doing small type prototypes for metal printing, 3D metal printing, it's great product.
Okay, and so the actual materials, the build-up materials, do you provide them, or is that separately?
We can provide them, but they're also widely available from the market as well for those industries.
Okay, great. So that's another entry, another addition to your stable. And that, of course, builds on top of the other existing systems. You've got printers, you've got reflow ovens,
That's
you've got wave soldering systems.
That's right. Yeah. Yeah. So we have the full gamut, even down to hand soldering systems, and with the hand soldering systems now they're traceable. So we have traceability. That's everybody wants traceability. Yeah. So the hand soldering systems are now traceable as well with the Icon Trace. From benchtop all the way through high volume production, we have equipment that fits any one of those process needs.
Right. Yeah, it must be hard to keep up with it all, quite frankly. But
it's a lot to remember.
Yeah, good. Okay, good. So we've got we had a banner year last year, of course, in 2022. and things are looking good so far for 2023. What about the Mexico market? That really exploded last year.
It sure did, yeah. So, Mexico has been somewhat of a cyclical type market, right? You can have a big, great year, and then it's down a little bit the next year.
Right.
But what we've seen is a lot of companies from China, from Asia, Taiwan, moving into the Mexico market. Juarez, Guadalajara, Monterrey, all the big areas for electronics manufacturing, and putting in big mega factories there. So
and
Mexico,
buying best in class equipment.
right, it's incredible. So the growth was there. We had a tremendous year in Mexico, and we expect several tremendous years year over year
Going forward.
because of it. Yeah, I mean these factories are just going to get bigger and bigger. So.
Absolutely. Well, exciting times. It's great to catch up, and it's great to see some of the new things you're bringing out here at Kurtz Ersa.
Yeah.
So keep it up, Ernie.
Thanks,
We'll look forward to
Trevor.
the next time.
Thanks very much.
Thank you.